Hey guys, we're back. Welcome to this week's Plant of the Week. It has been a minute, and man, sometimes life just gets in the way. But anyway, I have not done a lot of annual color on the channel as far as Plants of the Week, but today I figured I might as well introduce a few because most DIYers are attracted to the annual world as weekend warriors and as container planters and that kind of stuff. Let me introduce you to one of the Proven Winners' very popular line of Supertunias. They are a petunia, but they are if you can remember, and it'll come up in another Plant of the Week, the wave petunias. These are like wave petunias on steroids. They just keep going and going and going to the first frost, provided that they're planted in a medium, a soil medium that is conducive to them. You don't rot them out with a whole lot of water, but you do keep them moist. And I have always found that they do very, very well with about 3 times a year feeding, whether it be liquid or whether it be dry. At planting time, mid-season and late season. Come the first frost, yeah, most of the time, in some of the warmer zones, 10, 11, you might get them to winter over if you nip and tuck them back. But for the most of us, especially where I'm at, yeah, they'd be done probably by the end of October at the latest. But I'm hoping to get a lot of color here at Brook and Pond this year. And part of that repertoire is going to be Supertunia. This particular one here is, my old man glasses can barely get those out. These are the Mini Vista Purple Stars. Now, the flower will get bigger than this, but not a lot bigger. It almost reminds me of Million Bells or Calibrachoa. But if you touch the foliage, you can feel the petunia side of the foliage and the smell of a petunia. So think about some place, give it some space, both container-wise and planting bed-wise. For me, right behind us here, and on the back hillside is where these guys are going this year, testing them out and seeing how they're doing. So remember Supertunia, generally put out by the Proven Winners Company, very good products all the way around, and look for them at your major garden centers, your mom and pops, even Walmart on occasion. So you might check them out. Full sun, maybe a little part shade if you're in a super high windy heat area, southwest, listen up down there. Anything that's over 100 degrees all the time, they would probably prefer a little bit of part sun or shade later in the afternoon. Where I'm at up here, full sun, dawn to dusk, as much as I can give it. So I think you'd really enjoy it. Supertunia, check it out. I'll catch you guys later. It's good to be back. It's good to be healthy. Moving forward for 2025. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.